Rahim, these are June 2010, and question we have a second variant we have, and normally we have given the he asked us to find volume, okay, but this question he given us the volume. Read: the volume obtained when the shaded area rotated about 360 degree about x-axis. This is the volume. So volume not to ask, volume is given by him, and we need to find A. So what is the basic formula of the volume? Let's start. Volume formula, basically we have about x-axis, x1 down, x2 up, y dx. But this is a formula of area. So if I do extra part pi outside and square of y, this will convert area into volume. Now volume part is given by him is 24 pi. This 24 pi is coming here. Lower limit is 1, so going here. Upper limit is 3, so very clear approach. And this whole thing will go in the place of y. It means it will come a by x. So a over x to power 2. Here algebraic properties we have to implement. First of all, this pi is multiplying with a whole. And when it comes left hand side, it will divide. It will look like this. And later on, pi will cancel out. And what about the inside part? Actually, basic algebra, we have what? I'm writing on the top. Whenever two values are multiplying or dividing and power n on the top, we can distribute this power to both. It is allowed in multiplying and dividing, but plus and minus, this is not available. I mean to say, if a plus b to power n comes, so if you think a to power n plus b to power n is total wrong. So in plus and minus, this is not available. In multiply and divide, it is available. So that is why they are dividing. So it means square of a separate, square of x separate. This is due to algebraic property. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Now, can I integrate directly? No, x in denominator. We are bound to bring it in the numerator. Is this a square you keep inside or keep outside? No issue at all. So I'm doing it here. 24 is equals to a to power 2 and 1 to 3 limit and x to power -2. Reason, when I bring it up, all of you know the power sign changes. So alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Now, what is the procedure? Procedure. What is the rule? Increase the power by 1. Increasing mean in -2 add 1. You got a -1. So x to power -1 by -1. And limit 1, 2, 3. And I have seen many students, they immediately put the values. Please don't put the values until you simplify maximum. How simplify? I'm going to show you what is the rule. Whenever x to power -1 bring in denominator, power sign will become +1. +1 you write or you don't write, no trouble at all. Down 1 already present, x time to 1 will give x, so 1 gone. And this minus sign you write down or you write up, no problem at all. Or even you can bring this minus outside the sign, even no issue at all. Now I'm ready to plug in the values and have a look here how we can plug in the values. Look at the best way. Look. Upper value comes here, minus, and this minus sign always. And this is a value I'm going to copy here. -1 over x, -1 over x. First 3 will go in the place of x, and then 1 go in the place of x. And now I'm going to plug in the values. It is coming, it is very clear, -1, -1 and -1 by 3 and +1. It is giving me what? It's giving me 24 equals to a square and plus, sorry, not into 2 by 3, into 2 by 3. And then 3 multiplies there with 24, 24 into 3, and this 2 will divide under it. And it will look like this. And I got a 36. So a to power 2 equal to 36. And when I take a root, I get answer a equal to 6. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. I believe the point is very, very clear.
Got it now, sir.